So there are three key things that are really important when thinking about change. And the first is that change is an ongoing process. So it's not like a project that ends when you've delivered all the activities and tasks. It's something that ends when everyone's adopted the new process or the new system. So you may need to keep managing a change project much longer than an ordinary project. The second is that change is about people, and it requires changes in behaviour, changes in culture. And the best way to do that is to engage people in dialogue and communication. So find time to listen to people, find time to reinforce and embed that change, and keep talking to people as long as you need to in order to get them on board. And finally, you need to make change as easy as possible for people to get on board with. So that means making sure all the right resources and infrastructure are in place. So make sure you reinforce all the positives involved with the new behaviours or the new processes, and use champions of change to really show people that change is a great thing and it's going to deliver a wonderful vision for the future.